welcome to the next video in our Linux command line for beginners series. Today we are going to discuss about the command touch. The touch command in Unix Linux command is used to create a empty file or update the timestamp of an existing file. To use the touch command, you use the basic syntax touch, options, and the file name. To create a file using the command touch, we do new file .txt. Before we create the file, let's first of all list the contents of desktop using the long format. So as you can see, we don't have any file called new file.txt. So for me to create it, I'll use the command touch new file.txt. So once I click enter and list the content of the directory in long format, as you can see, I've successfully created a file using the touch command. The command created an empty file, new file.txt, because the file does not exist. Assuming that the file exists, it will not create the file and it will not override the contents of the file. It will just modify the timestamp of the existing file to current time and date. So let me use for instance. First of all, we need to view what is inside new file.txt. Like I said, we created an empty file using touch, the touch command. So if I do cat new file.txt, I expect to see an empty file. There's nothing in the new file.txt. Now I want to create a file that already exists in my desktop terminal. Let me create the new.txt. First of all, before I create the file using touch, I will do cat new.txt to view what the content of new.txt. So in the new.txt, we have new text 1, new text 2, new text 3 as the contents. Now use touch to create new.txt. If I click enter, this command will not create new.txt because new.txt already exists in our desktop. So what it's going to do, it will not create another file called new.txt. It will not create it, and it will not overwrite the file, the new.txt file. It will just modify the timestamp of the existing file to current time and date. And from here, if I check from this place, you see that new.txt was created 3rd of September and the timestamp is 1752. This is the date and the time new.txt was created. And today's date is September 4. This is my timestamp, the current time 10:11. I want to create this specific file, new.txt. It will not create the file, it will not override the file. Instead, what it will do, it will just modify timestamp of the existing file to current date and time. So once I click enter and type ls-l, you can see we only have new.txt. We don't have any other duplicates here. And if we observe, the date has changed to 4th of September, and this is the time, the current time. Like I said that it will only modify the timestamp of the existing file. So if I should cat new.txt, we'll notice that the content is still there. like I said, it will not overwrite the content. It will not create a new file. It will just modify the timestamp of the file to current date and time. Let me clear my terminal. To create a multiple file, we use the command touch subject.txt, maths.txt, english.txt. So once I click enter, this will create the subject.txt, maths.txt, and english.txt if the file does not exist. However, if the file exists, it will not create it. It will just modify the timestamp of the existing file to current time and date. In our desktop, we don't have maths.txt, we don't have english.txt, we don't have subject.txt. So enter ls -l to list in long format. I've successfully created english.txt, maths.txt, maths.txt, subject.txt. So I've successfully created the multiple file. This is the month, the dates, and the time when this file was created. Subject.txt was created. So this is the timestamp. Let me clear my terminal. You can also use the -c option, touch -c subject.txt. The -c option do not create the file if it does not exist. It will only update the timestamp of the existing file. So once I click, this is the timestamp of the existing file. Once I click enter, ls-l, if you observe, it did not create the subject.txt, it just updates the timestamp of the existing file. If I scroll up, you see that initially the timestamp of the subject.txt was 10/16, September 4, 10/16. But currently, after using this command, the touch command -c subject.txt, which already exists, it updates the timestamp to September 4, 10/21. The touch command is simple but very useful for file management, especially in scripting and automation tasks. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like, subscribe, and recommend.